How to make a lot of money with Canva for just selling the free templates that there is on it. So if we go to Fiverr, we can find here that there is people that selling newsletter designs here for 60, and there is people here that selling them for more than $150. Imagine that this person just sold 14 for 100 plus. Imagine guys, it's over $1,000. So if you want to make it, to just go to Canva, and now go to the home page, and then go down here and click on this plus button and search for newsletter. If you search for it, click right here and wait a few seconds, and it will take you to this page right here. Here you will find free templates that you can sold for even $100. Imagine guys, if you just sold 10 of them, you will start making $1,000 a month. So just click on any design and edit it as you want, and go to Fiverr and sell it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.